Fussy little dog, hmm? Fussy little dog. Come, come. Just walk. Just walk with me. Walk with me, doggo. Walk with me. Morning patrol. Different neighborhood. But so what? You're good company. Seriously, I lived in this part of town for 2 years before I adopted Harriet. Some neighborhoods I just never walked into. Like, I don't know, I kept to myself mostly. Just going to work, going to university, and yeah, just doing my thing. But with Harriet here, I began to explore more. And yeah, there's beauty all around us. There's danger too, no lie. But there's beauty all around us, and it's up to us to explore.